Getting the most out of your Galaxy S23's battery life is important. While the S23 has robust battery capacity, intensive usage, bright screens, and power-hungry features can still drain it faster than desired. Taking advantage of the S23's built-in battery-saving modes and settings can extend battery life significantly. Understanding these options helps us use them effectively. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Power saving mode. You can access the power saving mode settings tapping and holding its icon from the quick settings panel. This strictly limits performance and connectivity to preserve battery life, which is best for emergencies when the battery is critically low. You can also see how long your phone could last if the feature is enabled just below the switch. The phone's power saving mode has the following options. The first is turn off always on display. The always on display constantly shows the information on the screen when the device is idle. Turning this off prevents the screen from staying on unnecessarily, thus saving battery life. When you enable it, the approximate battery life will change immediately. The second is limit CPU speed to 70%. Reducing the phone's CPU processing speed limits performance but uses less battery power. Capping speed at 70% reduces power consumption, although not as noticeable as the first option. The third option is decrease brightness by 10%. Lowering the screen brightness down by 10% reduces the display's power demands, which helps conserve battery life. The 10% reduction will be based on the current screen level of your phone. Next is turn off 5G. 5G network connectivity uses more battery than 4G LTE. Disabling 5G, especially if you're in an area with a spotty signal, allows the phone to revert to 4G for less power-hungry connectivity. The last one is limit apps and home screen. Restricting background apps and limiting available home screen apps forces the user to be more selective in app usage. This results in fewer apps running and processing in the background, which saves battery life. You should only use this if you badly need to conserve battery. You can make some changes to these features before you enable the power saving mode. You should base it on your usage patterns and needs. Optimize battery settings. You can access more battery settings by going to Battery Settings, then scroll down and tap More Battery Settings. On the next screen, you'll see the following options. Adaptive battery. This uses the on-device AI to learn your usage patterns and optimize battery life by controlling app activity and system resources in the background. No user input is needed, but make sure to enable it to work. Processing speed. This lets you manually limit your phone's CPU processing speed. Lower speeds use less battery power, so you can choose different caps based on your needs. You have 3 options, and you can change it to whatever suits your usage appetite. Protect battery. It improves long-term battery health. Limiting full charge to 85% reduces strain on the battery and prolongs lifespan. Also optimizes charging speed when plugged in overnight. These features, when enabled and set up properly, will help you have a longer battery life on your Galaxy S23, as well as protect its long-term health. We hope that our simple explanation of these features and modes can help you maximize the use of your phone. Thanks for watching.